Welcome in our lecture number 10, Management Review Meeting. Management Review Meeting is also called the Steering Committee Meeting. Purpose and scope: to review periodically effectiveness of the quality management system in accordance with the structural agenda of the Steering Committee Meeting or the Management Review Meeting by discussing the evaluating the company-wide overall organization performance. Responsibilities: the Chief Executive and Chief Operating Officer are responsible for establishing the steering committee meeting. MR is responsible for developing the report for management review and keeping the minutes of the SCM. Procedure: the steering committee meeting has been established by the managing director of Ali Engineering Limited. The purpose of steering committee meeting is to review the system company-wide to ensure effective compliance of the quality management system, its procedures, and plan. Management review are carried out periodically, recorded and monitored regularly. This meeting covers all agenda points in accordance with the standard clauses of ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System, where organization with approval of the managing director may add any other agenda point related to strategic business issues, routine operation, and so on. Frequency and schedule of steering committee meeting or the management review meeting. In initial phases of the implementation of integrated management system, the managing committee may review the quality management system on monthly basis. After certification phase, this meeting will be held on quarterly basis after 3 months or 4 months or 4 numbers of the management review meeting in a year till the next surveillance audit. After first surveillance audit, participants of the meeting may suggest to change the frequency of management review meeting or the steering committee meeting subject to approval of the chair. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. The frequency of meeting depends on the sole discretion of the management. These are just suggestions we usually recommend to our client organization objectively to measure the ongoing progress of implementation of quality management system and its effectiveness. The date for next meeting is generally agreed in the steering committee meeting. Under special circumstances and events, the managing director at his discretion or with consent of the relevant personnel may call for unscheduled review on all or on specific agenda point. The MR notify the date, time and venue of the review meeting via MRM information note to all permanent member of the steering committee meeting through email or through circular or inter-office memo to all members of the meeting through circular along with meeting agenda of steering committee meeting at least 3 days prior to the meeting. Reporting after steering committee meeting, management representative prepare a detailed minute and after approval of the managing director or the steering body circulate to all participants. This report is prepared on the basis of the following. Review input. The management review include periodic review of current performance with numeric data of current period as well as cumulative data. All meetings will be started with the recitation of Al-Quran and ended with prayer. Standard meeting agenda. For structural agenda as described by the standard ISO 9001:2015, please refer our next lecture number 11. Review output. The output from management review may include actions related to improvement of the quality management system and its processes, improvement of service quality and product resource requirement, and so on. Related record: management review meeting or steering committee meeting information note, agenda for steering committee meeting and minutes of steering committee meeting. Distribution: written by, approved by and issued by are unchanged in this procedure and the detail are already spelled out in all previous lectures. Now see the preview of this document. Thank you very much for watching our video.